our weightlifting workout. Today we're going to do just the basics to get you through a quick weight workout. This is the weight workout I do when I'm at home and I just want to get the job done quickly and efficiently. So we're just going to do one move per body part, and let's get started. Oh, let's do a quick warm up. You can inhale up, exhale down. So this is a great workout for just starting out with weights or for a weight maintenance quick day just to get it in. Good. One more time, inhale, exhale. We're just gonna warm up those shoulder joints real quick. Give me some big arm circles. Good. Come on, up and up. So if you've never done weights before, you're gonna start a little bit lighter. If you've been doing weights for a while, get yourself some nice challenging weights. Go front and back, front and open and front and open and front and open and front and open. Great. Okay. So go ahead and grab those weights. We're gonna start with shoulders and work our way on down. Bend those knees a little bit. The weights are right at your shoulders. Just press straight up and come down. Press and down. I almost always do a little bit of legs with it, just to keep my heart rate up and add a little more oomph to the move. Good. Press. Straight up, straight down, like your arms are on a cable. You've got it. Exhale on the up. Good. You got it. I usually aim for about 20 reps. I already forgot to count, so I don't know what we're on. Let's do about 4 more. So 4, 3, and if you finish these easily, then you need a heavier weight. Good. Okay, so that was shoulders, shoulder press. And you always want to work agonist to antagonist. So if we just did shoulders and we pushed on the up, now you want to pull on the down to work those lats. Since we don't have anything to pull, we have to bend over, put both weights in one hand. Your lats are a lot stronger than your shoulders. You're going to take a forward lean, hand on your thigh, back nice and flat. So instead of tucking under, you're going to stick your tush out a little bit and keep your back in neutral alignment. Support yourself on that thigh and bring your elbow in and down. Bring it in and down. Good. In, down. So you're working your lats, just the outer back. Good. Come on. It's your pull-up muscles. Let's go. Come on. If you want to add a lunge to it, you can. Good. Come on. And in. Exhale on that up. Good. Looking good. I don't know how many more. Let's do 8. Come on. 7. You got it. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Good. Now we're going to do the other side. Both weights in one hand. Go ahead and put one weight in your fingers. Put the other one crossed and under your thumb. It took me years to figure that out. You're welcome. Hand on your thigh. Elbow in and lift. Now you're not trying to rotate. You want to keep your body square to the floor. Good. Come on down, then lift. So your weights are going towards your ankle, and then right up to your hip. Elbow in. Good. You can add that lunge with it if you'd like. Very nice. Very nice. Keep it going. Lift. Exhale on that up. Good. Let's do 8 more. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. All right, so next we have chest, and you're gonna want maybe a bench, or you can do it on the floor. I'm gonna grab my bench. That's a big heavy bench. Woo! All right, okay. Now when you do these, I want you to think about this alignment right here, across hand to hand, all right? Straight line. So you're not dipping those elbows, they're not up here. You've got that nice straight line. And you're gonna do bench flies, just open and in right to here. Okay, so you don't need to touch those weights together. You're gonna keep them kind of wide right here. All right, so that's what it's gonna look like. That alignment is super important. So you're gonna come out, then in. Straight line, hand to hand, elbows in that straight line. You don't wanna tuck your elbows under because then if the weight gets too heavy for you, it's gonna tweak that shoulder, okay? So you don't want to lose control and have that weight force your arm out to the side. So as long as you're in alignment, if that weight gets too heavy, you can just pull it in because you're in alignment. Okay, out and in, out, squeeze in, out, squeeze in, out, squeeze in. So you're just trying to come up until you feel like gravity isn't pulling on those weights anymore. So you're not working against gravity up in here. You're only working against gravity back to here. So come out, squeeze in, out, squeeze in. Good. Woo! Out, squeeze. You can also do push-ups instead of your bench flies, or you can do a bench press, down and press. Just like you were doing a push-up, but you're upside down. Give me 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. I know we did a lot of reps while I was talking, so that's why we didn't quite do all this. All right, good. So now we've worked shoulders, we've worked lats, which is the pull. Now we did another push move for chest, for your pecs, and now we need to do that pull move. So it's the opposite of what you just did there. So you're gonna pull this way. So let's just start right here. Again, elbows are high, you're squeezing your shoulder blades together. Feel that squeeze, 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 squeeze. Now to add weight to that, we need to, hang on. Okay, now to add weight to that, we're gonna do that forward lean again because we need to work against gravity. Nice flat back. This time we're gonna go elbow out and down, elbow out and down, elbow out. Good. Squeeze that shoulder blade in towards your spine. Good. Now if you want to add some intensity, you can add a little leg lift to that and a little lunge. Get that heart rate up. Burn some extra calories. Tone your legs and your tush at the same time. Wow. Yep, a lot of bang for your buck on this one. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now when you add all that extra movement, I don't want you to lose your focus on that shoulder blade coming into your spine. Squeeze and down. Squeeze that shoulder blade. You want to feel those muscles in your upper middle back. Exhale on the up. Good. Let's add that lift and lunge. Good. 7. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. So we're only doing a few exercises in this video. This is one of those routines that you might want to memorize the moves, and then you can do it on your own, anytime, anywhere, which is what I do at home when I need to get my weights in. Okay, standing up tall. So we've done push, pull, and we're gonna do arms. Here we go. Biceps and triceps. Squeeze. And I do like to do a little bit of a squat with these. Good. I've got my legs really wide, toes pointed out, knees out, pointing the same direction as my toes. Now squeeze. Put your mind to your muscle, work those biceps. Good. Beautiful. Exhale on that up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Looking good out there. We're almost done already. You guys are looking marvelous. So, here we go, just still going. If you're working on your entire body, getting stronger, you might want to do an upper body day 2 or 3 times a week, and then do your legs and abs the other day. So So this video is just your upper body weights. And then if you're just doing it all at once, you'll want to hit like a abs video and a legs video after this. Let's finish this off. I know your biceps are strong. Come on, let's go. Up, up, up. So you want to do cardio every day and then finish it off with some upper body Mondays and Thursdays. Finish it off with some lower body Tuesdays and Fridays. And then just do your cardio Wednesdays and Saturdays. I don't know, you do you, but that would be a really good schedule. Oh, do Pilates or yoga Wednesdays and Saturdays with your cardio. 4, 3, 2, and 1. That would be a good routine right there, I promise you. Get in such good shape. All right, elbows high. Here we go, lift and down. So these are your triceps. Your elbows are pointing to that back wall. Keep them up and then extend all the way back. Go for that extra little squeeze at the top. Squeeze, good. That last little bit of a squeeze makes all the difference. Good. Working the back of those arms. Good. Come on. Keep your weight on your heels. Don't be leaning over those toes. Keep your weight back. Good. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. So just real quick, if you like doing your triceps this way better, you can also do that. You want to make sure you're not arching your back on those. Good. Go 4, 3, 2, 1. I was just showing you that for some variety. So hey, we did it. You did your whole upper body with weights. And now you can do it again if you need a little bit more. Use heavier weights if you need to. You should be able to do about 8 reps for strength training, 20 reps for endurance training and toning. So anywhere in there, if you can do more than 20 reps, get heavier weights. All right, hey, good job. Go you, go you, go you. You did it. You're amazing. You're awesome. Have a great, great, great day. Woo, you.